In today's world, China has firmly positioned itself as a rising military superpower. Its investments in cutting-edge technology and innovative strategies have propelled its defense sector to new heights. Whether it's missiles capable of wiping out entire cities, stealth fighters that are nearly undetectable, or naval power that can project force across vast oceans, China's arsenal is becoming a formidable force in global military affairs. But what are the most advanced weapons that define China's military prowess? Stick around as we explore the 10 most advanced Chinese weapons that have shaped the future of modern warfare. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our exciting and informative content. Let's jump right into it. Number 10. DF-41 Intercontinental Ballistic Missile, ICBM. Picture a missile that can reach anywhere on Earth in under 30 minutes. An incredible feat, right? The DF-41 ICBM, China's most powerful intercontinental missile, does just that. This advanced weapon has a staggering range of 15,000 kilometers, meaning it can strike virtually any target worldwide with terrifying speed and precision. But it doesn't stop there. The DF-41 is equipped with Mirror Vs, multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles, allowing it to carry multiple nuclear warheads and hit different targets at once. This technology makes it nearly impossible to intercept, as it overwhelms missile defense systems by targeting multiple locations simultaneously. Beyond its sheer destructive power, the DF-41 plays a pivotal role in China's nuclear deterrence strategy. Its ability to retaliate with devastating force in the event of an attack bolsters China's global military standing. With the DF-41, China is signaling to the world that it's not just investing in advanced weapons, it's strengthening its nuclear defense for the future. Number 9. J-20 Mighty Dragon Stealth Fighter. Stealth technology is changing the game in aerial warfare, and China's J-20, known as the Mighty Dragon, stands at the forefront of this revolution. Designed to compete with the US's F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II, the J-20 is a next-generation fighter that features an incredibly sleek design, minimizing its radar profile and making it hard to detect. This stealthy feature allows the J-20 to infiltrate enemy airspace undetected, giving China a clear edge in aerial combat. But it's not just about being invisible. The J-20 is loaded with cutting-edge avionics, long-range sensors, and advanced weapon systems that ensure it dominates the skies. With a heavy payload capacity, the J-20 can carry a variety of precision-guided missiles, allowing it to tackle multiple targets at once. This fighter jet's mix of stealth, power, and agility places China in an elite class of military aviation, signaling its readiness to take on any adversary in the air. Number 8. Type 055 Destroyer. When we talk about naval superiority, China's Type 055 destroyer is undeniably one of the crown jewels of its fleet. This colossal warship, measuring 180 meters and weighing more than 13,000 tons, is among the largest and most capable destroyers in the world. Armed with advanced radar systems, long-range missiles, and cutting-edge anti-aircraft and anti-submarine technologies, the Type 055 is a force to be reckoned with. Its size and power have led many to compare it to the U.S. Navy's Ticonderoga-class cruisers. The Type 055 is equipped with a vast array of weaponry, including YJ-18 anti-ship missiles and HHQ-9B surface-to-air missiles, making it an exceptionally versatile vessel. Its stealth capabilities further enhance its lethality by enabling it to evade enemy detection, allowing it to strike with deadly surprise. With this warship, China has solidified its position as a formidable naval power, extending its influence beyond the Pacific Ocean and ensuring dominance in regional waters. Number 7. DF-17 Hypersonic Missile. In the world of missile technology, the DF-17 is a game-changer. This hypersonic missile is capable of traveling at speeds over Mach 10, more than 12,000 kilometers per hour, making it nearly impossible for traditional missile defense systems to intercept. What sets the DF-17 apart from other missiles is its incredible maneuverability. Unlike conventional ballistic missiles, which follow a predictable path, the DF-17 can change course mid-flight, making it exceptionally difficult to track and stop. The DF-17 is equipped with a hypersonic glide vehicle, which allows it to strike high-value military targets with unparalleled speed and accuracy. Its ability to maneuver and its mind-blowing velocity make it one of the most advanced and lethal weapons in China's military arsenal. This missile marks a new era in warfare, offering China a substantial strategic advantage in long-range missile strikes. Number 6. Z-20 Helicopter. The Z-20 helicopter is China's answer to the renowned U.S. Army UH-60 Black Hawk, and it's proving itself to be a powerful contender. This versatile medium-lift helicopter is capable of performing a wide range of missions, from troop transport to search and rescue operations. However, what makes the Z-20 particularly impressive is its advanced technological features. It boasts an electronic warfare suite, advanced radar, and long-range communication systems, allowing it to operate effectively in complex and hostile environments, including mountainous terrain and open seas. With a significant payload capacity, the Z-20 can transport troops, supplies, and even large equipment with ease, making it an indispensable tool for China's military operations. Whether it's a peacekeeping mission or a combat scenario, the Z-20's capabilities ensure that China can rapidly deploy forces to any corner of the globe. Number 5. Y-20 Transport Aircraft. When it comes to strategic mobility, the Y-20 is a cornerstone of China's military power. This heavy-lift transport aircraft is capable of carrying over 60 tons of cargo, enabling China to deploy troops, vehicles, and equipment to distant regions quickly and efficiently. The Y-20's impressive lift capacity and range enhance China's ability to project military power anywhere on the planet, whether in humanitarian missions or full-scale combat operations. Equipped with advanced engines and avionics, the Y-20 performs reliably under various conditions, from freezing temperatures to sweltering tropical climates. This aircraft's versatility ensures that China can sustain military operations across diverse and challenging environments, further enhancing its ability to respond rapidly to global crises or military conflicts. Number 4. H-6N Strategic Bomber Sezi. A long-range strategic bomber, the H-6N plays a crucial role in China's nuclear deterrence strategy. This upgraded version of the Soviet-era Tu-16 is capable of carrying nuclear payloads and launching air-launched cruise missiles, enabling China to strike targets from a distance without entering enemy airspace. The H-6N's impressive range allows it to target U.S. military bases in the Pacific and beyond, positioning it as a vital asset in China's strategic defense arsenal. The H-6N's enhanced avionics, weapon systems, and extended range ensure that it remains a dominant force in modern warfare. This bomber is central to China's ability to maintain credible deterrence against potential adversaries, reinforcing the country's position as a global military power. Number 3. WZ-10 Attack Helicopter. The WZ-10 is China's answer to the Apache AH-64, one of the world's most advanced attack helicopters. This heavily armed aircraft is equipped with an impressive array of weapons, including anti-tank guided missiles, rockets, and a 30mm cannon, making it capable of engaging a wide variety of targets, from heavily armored tanks to infantry units. The WZ-10 features cutting-edge targeting systems, including infrared and radar sensors, allowing it to operate effectively during both day and night. Whether providing close air support for ground forces or eliminating enemy armored vehicles, the WZ-10 gives China a formidable edge on the battlefield, cementing its role as a key player in modern helicopter warfare. Number 2. KJ-500 Early Warning and Control Aircraft. The KJ-500 is China's most advanced airborne early warning and control system, crucial for maintaining superiority in the skies. This aircraft is equipped with a sophisticated radar system and real-time data sharing capabilities, enabling it to detect and track enemy aircraft and missiles over vast distances. The KJ-500 plays a central role in coordinating air defense operations, ensuring China's military remains one step ahead of potential threats. This aircraft's ability to operate in hostile environments and provide real-time intelligence makes it an invaluable asset for both offensive and defensive operations. The KJ-500 enhances China's situational awareness, ensuring that its air force can react swiftly to changing threats and maintain control of the skies. Number 1. JL-3 Submarine-Launched Ballistic Missile. SLBM. At the pinnacle of China's military advancements is the JL-3 submarine-launched ballistic missile. With an impressive range of over 12,000 kilometers, the JL-3 allows China's nuclear-powered submarines to strike any target on Earth while remaining completely undetected. The stealthy nature of the missile, coupled with its launch platform, the submarine, ensures that China's nuclear deterrent remains a potent force, even against the most advanced defense systems. The JL-3 is capable of carrying multiple nuclear warheads, making it one of the most formidable weapons in China's arsenal. Its incredible range and evasive capabilities make it nearly impossible to intercept, solidifying China's second strike capability and guaranteeing devastating consequences for any adversary who dares to challenge it. China's military advancements represent a perfect blend of innovation, strategic vision, and unwavering commitment to defense. From hypersonic missiles to stealth bombers, the weapons in China's arsenal are pushing the boundaries of modern warfare. As China continues to invest in and develop new technologies, its military capabilities will undoubtedly continue to grow, shaping the future of global power dynamics. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this deep dive into the most advanced Chinese military weapons, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting and informative content. Stay tuned as we continue exploring the latest in military technology around the world.